Hi everyone. Hi guys. Today I'm going to start a journey about SAA. Basically, SAA is exam by AWS, and I'm preparing for that. And what I'm learning in this whole preparation of this exam, I will share with you guys. I will upload on YouTube. I'm trying to explain things how I'm learning, and hope like you people like it. And I will say this. First thing, let's start with what is SAA and what is AWS. We go here. Okay. So SAA, AWS certification, and let's first thing what we are do is this is AWS certification. AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate. Associate focused on designing cost and performance optimization solution. Okay. So this is the exam I want to give. I'm preparing for this and I will explain what things I'm learning. First thing first, today we are talking about AWS IAM role. What is this IAM and why it needed, what things we learn. So we learn here IAM user, IAM group, policies, how permission flow, IAM role, trust policy, permission policy. We attach role here, and last one, I don't think anything else. I just ate how we learned here. So let's start with IAM user and why it needed. Okay. So what is IAM? Basically, use AWS identity and access management, manage and scale workload and workforces. Why it needed is we don't need to log in every time with the root user, and sometimes you need some user might be not need that much of access, just need some access. So why we give the root access to them? Why not we create something like a user have only this permission? For that reason, the IAM is came. The benefits of IAM: set permission and guardrails, manage workload, use temporary security credentials, and things we are learned, and we'll do stuff here. So let's start with the first thing. This is the root account, uh, mine, and second, this tab is my AWS Subham. This user have administrator access. So first thing first, let's delete all the old user. I'm just deleting these two, demo one, demo two, and we will create new one. Okay. So just deleting this. Okay, just deleting this. Might be deleted. Let me create one. Okay, let's create one. Now name is demo one. Okay, I give the permission, the custom password we can here. Okay, a user must create new password. If you want, like in your company, you want to send the user these credentials, and you want user need to create their own password instead of what you're sharing, so you can make it true. But we don't need, because we are using our own, so I don't think there is a need. So I'm just creating next. Now here is the main thing. You can set permission via group, copy directly permission, or attach a policies directly. We will learn what is policies and what the other stuff. If we just create this attach policy. And what is the policy basically? What is the policy? Policy is the access we want to give the user, like S3 policy, EC2, ECS. These services policy, like a user want to do only read access to S3, a full access on the S3. So these are the policies. So what I just want S3 read permission. Okay, this user This user have only S3 read access, not the create access and other access. So just need to create name things and this. Okay. So I just go here, come here, and just if I refresh this page, this is old one, and this need to be sign in again. Basically, this is the old one. I'm not complicating things and just creating a new. Okay, sign into new. Okay, name is demo1, password, sign in. Okay, password might be wrong. Okay, now sign in. Now we are inside this demo1. There is already a bucket. I just need to not delete. Let me create new. This is the old one bucket. We can see, we can read these, but we can read this. We can go inside and do stuff like read only permission. If I going to create this, like suppose demo bucket, something like this, 8. And if you want to create, what do we get? We get an error like create bucket permission required. So these demo one only have read access, nothing to create. Okay. So we understand as of now we understand that we can pass a user directly a policy and user can do a stuff. Okay. Now the problem here is suppose you are in a company and there is a hundred of user, hundred of developer, and is it a good way to give policies to every user? Instead of why not we create a group and we put all the user inside that group and we assign the policy to the group. So here the came IAM group. Okay. What we do here, we put that group, let's this is a group and we put multiple user here, multiple user here, same way. Okay. So this we put group and we attach policies here. Okay. So now this is the policy. This is the policy. This is the IAM policy. Okay. So we can give the policy and we can directly attach to them this instead of instead of doing thing like attaching policies to every user. Why just not do this thing? So this is the way the IAM group work. Okay. So let's came back and IAM user and currently we have the two user. This forget about this. This one is demo one. Let's create a dev group. This is a group I already created. Let's delete this and we'll create a new one. Dev, delete. We deleted this. Now the group is deleted. Now create group. We can create a developer group. You can see here that all the users came here. You can directly attach from here or just create the dev, and here you need to give the permission. Like what permission you want to give this group like dev group. So I want this S3 full access. User can Any user who join in this group can do S3 full access. So now create this group. The group is created. There is no user as of now. Now let's create a user more. So we can see what we can do. Okay. So create a new user. Name is demo 2. Provide console. Custom. There is no need. Next. next. And okay, might be previous, and we don't want anything to add any policies. Let me attach a policies of ECS, or might be mm, ECS. Okay, ECS full access. Let me give them full access. Next, create user. Okay, the user is now created. Let me refresh this page. Demo 2 login. Okay, now we got the accounts. Okay, now go back to IAM user. Okay, now let me now explain you things. This is root user. This is Subham. That is administrator access. There is no need. These two is important. This one is demo 1. This is demo 2. Okay, the demo 1 have S3 read access. Let me explain you little thing. Demo 1 have S3 read only access. Demo 2 have permission of full access, full ECS access. Okay, these two is important. Okay, there's spelling. Okay, so now we attach. Let me check this demo 2 can create S3 things or not. Okay, let's search S3 here. S3. Let's do things. Let's try. Okay, he not even see demo 008008 something something and create bucket. Okay, not have permission related S3. He have permission of ECS. Okay, Elastic Container Service. He can create an ECS here. Get started, and he can create any ECS and something something that he want. Okay, now what we do, we created a group here. Now we can put user inside this and now check is the user able to create a group like a S3 bucket or not. Just try to demo 1, demo 2 and put it here. Add user. Now we added demo 1, demo 2 here. Now let's try demo 2 because demo 2 only have ECS access, no S3. Now just go again S3 and let's create it. Okay, now he can see the things and also create a things. Just wait a minute, let me check. Demo 080808 the stuff. Okay, now he can create anything. Okay, got it. The same way this demo 1 also can do. So the group is the way you make a like a, you can put many developers or many team members in a same group. And one more thing, a single user can share multiple groups. Suppose there is a user 1, there is a user 2, there is a user 3. Just a minute. Okay, there is 3 group and same user can share multiple groups. Okay, there is a no restriction. Okay, these mid one, this guy, this can share multiple both group. Okay, so the group helps a user can be in a multiple access. So in this way. Now we're moving forward. We now talk about policies, permission flow, and let me first explain you about role and then things next. Okay, just came here and roles. What is roles? Basically, there's a multiple roles I already created. Just explain you about IAM role. Just came here in AWS. Okay. So IAM role are secure identity and specify permission that allow trust entities, user app services to perform AWS action. Let's came here and let's see. Service linked roles, custom, cross, federal, in a simple language. I will explain you. In a simple language, you want the EC2 just need a S3 access only, nothing other access. So you can pass a role to a service of AWS that you can just do these things, nothing else. So whenever the system, a user login, the instance or the services of that user's login, he can have the things like they can access only these things, nothing else. Okay, the dependency is on the users, IAM users. Okay, so let's create an IAM role about S3. Okay, so this is AWS and we can create EC2 and EC2 next S3 read access only. There is nothing else. S3 next. Okay, now role name dem S3 is EC2 S3 S3 read access. Okay, so this thing. Now you can see here these things. What is this? This is the policies. This is the actual policy look like. There's JSON format. There is a version. There is a statement. In the statement, there is a multiple statement you can put. Okay, like for the EC2, well, for the S3, for the other things you want to put here. Okay, so effect is allow, assume role, a principal, these things, and you can just create a role. Okay. Now, whenever you just create an EC2, you just put these roles. Now, I will explain the role and trust policy permission attaching role to EC2 Lambda in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.